In 2014, December 8th, Sahara Energy, which was headed by Tonye Cole, paid $308 million US. Paid $308 million US. December 8th, through Access Bank. Do you understand me? Now, when I came on board, 29th of May, 2015, what was left in the account was $308,000. $308 million, remaining $308,000. Right? Do you know what happened? When I looked at the account, I saw where $50 million US was paid back to Sahara Energy. And I said, Sahara, and the bankers, and I borrow money to us. You bought this from us. Well, also putting back $50 million US. I said, no, something must be wrong somewhere. Today, we are prosecuting Tonye Cole and Amaechi and Wokocha, the former commissioner of power. The only way you can stop that prosecution, the only way you don't want that money to come back to the state coffers, is electing Tonye Cole. But if you elect him, the matter will die natural death. Very, very important. And let me say to you now you are president of the youth. The whole thing now is in your course. Don't sell them out. Don't sell them out. Now that this 10,000 employment has gone, I will hold you responsible. I will hold you what? Responsible. You know, I know how to catch people. Do you understand me? I know how to catch people. You have said it here now. Politicians should not put their hand. You too should not sell the positions to other people. Allow them to benefit from it. And then, I want to urge all of you who don't have any job, apply now. Apply now. And let the youth council prepare the list and send to us. Do you understand me? So if you say nobody will not say, I did not, if anything happens, I will hold him responsible. But I can tell you, I will not be fair to ourselves. This employment is for us. We are not giving out any employment to anybody. The youth of Rivers State, this is their time, and you must have it. If what I've done in this state and the former government of Amaechi did it, we have gone beyond this level now. It's not true. In 4 years, from 2019 to now, 12 flyovers. 12. And us that will decide what will happen in the university. I challenge anybody, 23 local government from Rivers Southeast of Andoni, Obobogoro, Gokana, Ghana, Tai, Oyibo, Eleme. I challenge anybody from here, from that area, should raise his hand or her hand and say, sir, you did not do anything in my local government. I challenge anybody. It's all about making an impact on the life of the people. People have used as Calabarino to play politics. Today, by the grace of God, you can go from Degema to Krakrama, to Omema, to Angulama, to Zerama, to Omekama, everywhere. today, I have awarded a contract. Look at what you go to GRA. GRA. Go to the new GRA. We have brought Port Harcourt back what it used to be. Is that not correct? Now, you need to sustain this. You need to consolidate and continue. Don't go and bring these bogey people. When you bring them, then you set us back. Fubara was employed as a civil servant. He grew to the level of Director of Finance. He grew to the level of Permanent Secretary. He grew to the level of Accountant General of the state. Who is more qualified? Who is more qualified? Leave all these people. Their leg is here. Their leg is here. We don't do that. Tonye Cole, even though he voted for Atiku, he voted for with Amaechi. The same Amaechi who said he won the South. Did he support the South? No. He supported who? Tonye Cole posted in his Instagram, congratulating Tinubu within 30 minutes. He deleted it. Is that a character? No. Is that a character? No. I stand firm. It doesn't matter whose horse it is. I take a decision, I take a decision. Leadership is not that you must be right at all times. What leadership means? Be firm and say, yes, I took a decision. I'm sorry, it may not have been the best. But as your leader, I have to take a decision I took. And that's why today, in this country, we are very important. We are very, very...
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.